everybody, welcome to our class Passionate Learners. I hope many of the people have watched the video which I have done on the Vedic civilization. It was just a theory part and it is very useful video. If anybody have not watched the video, just kindly go through the video. It's just a matter of 9 minutes and I try to include the maximum information related to this Vedic civilization, which would be mostly helpful for the people who are preparing for any competitive examinations, and it comes under the general studies subject. Okay, so now today we are doing the questionnaire part of the Vedic civilization. Earlier, which I have told you, was the theoretical part, and today we are going to do some questions upon the Vedic civilization. Okay, let us start the session. And the first question is, how many hymns were included in the Rig Veda? So we have discussed about the Vedas, in which there are 4 Vedas. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda and the Atharva Veda. And we have learnt everything about these Vedas. So now what was the question? The question was, how many hymns were included in the Rig Veda? So Rig Veda is a very big literary book and it has 1028 hymns in it. Okay, so we have also discussed that it was divided into 10 mandalas, and in the third mandala the description about Gayatri mantra was there, right? Gayatri mantra. And in the 10th mandal there was the description about the Varna system, which was nothing but the caste system. All these things we have discussed about the Rigvedic civilization. So, for this question, the answer would become 1028 hymns. The second question is, Vid derived from Vedas refers to which of the following? Vid means knowledge. Try to remember this. It's a Sanskrit word and it literally means knowledge. The third question is, in the later Vedic period, who among the following was the god of Shudras? It was Husham. The fourth question, Nishka was used as the medium of exchange in which of the following periods? It was actually used in the Vedic period. Try to remember it. Medium of exchange in the sense it's a kind of currency. Or for the barter system also they use this Nishka. Okay. The fifth question is, which river was called the Vipasa in Vedic India? The river Bias was called as the Vipasa in Vedic India. So they have different names. We actually call it Bias, but in those days it was known as Vipasa. We already discussed about the Sapta Sindhu region. This was the place actually where the Vedic civilization was actually started, and later on they moved to Gangetic plains in the later Vedic period. So, what are the 7 rivers which we have discussed? The Indus, Ravi, Bias, Chenab, Satluj, Jhelum and the Saraswati, right? So, these were the rivers which we have discussed about in the Sapta Sindhu region, and the Bias is known as the Vipasa. So, try to remember it. Which taxation system was used in the Vedic society? It was the Bali. So, Bali is a kind of tax which the normal people used to pay it to the king. So, okay. So, 1/6 of their total income, they have to pay 1/6 of income which they generated from various sources. It may be like agriculture or from the cattle. Okay. So, it may be anything, but they have to pay 1/6 of their total income to the king as a tax. So, this is known as Bali. The 7th question is, which of the following was the main feature of later Vedic period? The main feature of later Vedic period. Yes, they worshipped God, the rise of Brahmanism was there, cultivation was there and the caste system was there. But they are asking us the main feature, the importance of caste system. The Varna system existed much. Okay, actually it started during this Vedic time. So we have to give the importance to the caste system as per this question is concerned. Varna system. Yes, The eighth question is, in the Rig Veda period, Indra was the god of which of the following deities? Indra was the god of thunder. If you remember, the gods of the Vedic period, they were Indra, Agni, Varuna and Soma. So Indra was the god of thunder. Who was the promoter of yoga philosophy in Vedic age? We all know that it was Patanjali. Who said that the Aryans came from Arctic Circle? Okay, this is an interesting question. So, it was actually said by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Dayanand Saraswati said that they were actually from Tibet, and Max Muller said that they were actually from Central Asia. Okay, so Bal Gangadhar Tilak said that they were from Arctic Circle. 11th question. The other name of Vedantas is? The other name of Vedantas is Upanishads. Every Veda has Brahmanas, Aranyakas and Upanishads attached to it. Okay, so Upanishads are nothing but Vedantas. Vedantas means they are the ending of the Vedas. So Upanishads would become our answer. The word Satyameva Jayate was taken from? It was taken from Manduka Upanishad. Okay, yes. Gayatri Mantra was part of? We have already discussed that it was the part of Rig Veda mentioned in the third mandala. Okay, yes. Which god was not worshipped by the Rigvedic people? Indra, Agni, Varuna and Soma was also worshipped by the Rigvedic period. Except all this, Shiva was not worshipped during this period. So our answer would become D, Shiva. Yes, that's it guys. So I have chosen the important questions, like the most repeated questions which they would ask from the Vedic civilization. I hope this video would be useful for you people. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Passionate Learners. And that's it. Okay, thank you so much.